You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Have you seen the meme online? Very funny, short video indeed. So if you've been wondering, how do you say the year 1111 as a date, this number is pronounced as 1111. How to pronounce in English pronunciation 1111. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.